Everyone, I'm architect and urban designer Moksha Bhatia back with another video on government job series on Urbanism Spinning. I have already discussed with you how to get a job in Urban Development Authority, CPW and ASI. Today let's talk about how you can get a job as an architect in defense in India. So let's get started. In defense institutions, architecture services are also necessary for the planning and construction of military bases, defense infrastructure, and military personnel housing complexes. You can apply for a job in the Indian defense industry as an architect mainly through the UPSC by taking the Combined Defense Services examination and choosing the engineering wing. You will then go through additional selection procedures based on your architectural experience and qualifications. You can also look for specific openings within organizations like CPWD, which regularly hires architects for defense projects. Mandatory educational qualifications include completing bachelor's degree in architecture from a recognized university. If you want better opportunities, then you can also consider doing a master's degree. Now let's see how to apply it. Applying for the architect cadre post in the military engineering services is the main route to becoming a defense architect in India. Google the military engineering services. Go to the portal mes.government.in. Under What's New tab, you can look for the advertisement of architect cadre and then fill the application form. For recruiting announcements, application deadlines and comprehensive qualifying requirements, frequently visit the official MES website. That's all for today. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Urbanism Spinning.